Hi guys and gals, good evening. Let's now continue our snacks. I really love pizza and pasta. Come on. Open your mouth, don't be shy. Mm. Mm. Ganda. Oh gosh. Mm. Love it. Mm. Well done. Tastes so good. Guys, before we proceed, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fe Abordo, Helen Carreto also, of San Roque, Legazpi City, Purok Dos. Thank you for watching. Oh, and Monet Pacheco. Hi. I'm speechless. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. To all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers on YouTube who never get tired of my masterpieces, for being the first one to view. Thank you. And I just want to thank also YouTube team for putting me on recommendation my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And of course, to all my 16 lovely countries who've been supporting my channel. Philippines on the number 1 spot. United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Brazil, India, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia. Hold on. Where did this stop? Hong Kong, Australia, Spain, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Indonesia. Thank you so much to every one of you. Guys, you know what? Another milestone happened on my YouTube channel because the other day I've got a total of 1 million views on all my masterpieces. Thank you so much because of you I reached the 1 million total views. Thanks for watching. This is all for you. You know what? I really love this even before the first time I discovered to eat in here. Thank you so much once again for the support, for the continued support, for the love and affection that you gave on my channel. I can say that much, but thank you. Please, every one of you. Just keep on watching, stay tuned, love it, feel it, share it, embrace it. Okay? Subscribe. Up, push. Thank you. Bye for now. Once again, congratulations to all of us for reaching the 1 million total views on my masterpieces. Bye for now. Thank you.